Welcome to Jungle Bird.
Hold on, wait, you gotta do it, damn it.
I can't do it again.
Oh, okay, now you do it. Now you do it.
Now he
We'll
be
say it,
like,
we'll say it.
who are we talking to? Would be not. I can't. It's too fake now.
Turned in resumes. Apparently on whatever type of like, what is it, like Excel or whatever, when you were typing up your resume, it corrects Jungle Bird to Jungle Book, and I got like 3 resumes that say, hey, I'm really looking forward to working at Jungle Book, you know, and like, you know, I'll just do a pina colada.
Done.
Yeah.
Penis colada.
Yeah, extra penis. Pina colada, bro.
Penis colada. Yeah, cheers, man. Like,
Hey, how's that? How's that?
It's
Chi-Chi?
hella good.
Yeah. What are you drinking?
What is it? JB's Planner's Punch.
Okay, yeah.
It's good.
oh, bro.